is Alex Kollar. I'm 24 years old and I'm in the Marion Technical Culinary Arts program. I chose Marion Technical College because it was convenient for me and I thought it was, very affordable. I could work around it and it worked with my hours at work, so I thought it was, the best option for me. And I chose technical education over a traditional college because I thought that it would probably be more affordable for me. I would have to say one of my best experiences at Marion Technical College would have to be the Ocala Culinary Festival. That was really fun, doing the James Beard dinner and getting to work with all of these different chefs from all over the world. And it was a really great experience, I was lucky to get to join something like that. So within the year that I've been here at Marion Technical College, I feel like it's prepared me for more than I can, say. I mean, they've taught me a lot about respect and professionalism, and those things are really important in the restaurant industry. And they taught me, to work hard and never to give up, and about leadership, which is very important. So I think that'll take me very far in the culinary world because those things are important in that business. I would tell a future student that if they wanted to join the culinary arts program, if you're really passionate about cooking, it'd be the place for you because it offers so many great opportunities and great experiences that I'll never forget. And I think it was really fun and I won't ever regret it. The teachers and the staff here at MTC are very friendly, they're very nice people. They care a lot about the students, which I appreciate. Not many schools are like that, and it's nice to see that the teachers actually care about the students and their future, and it's very beneficial for all of us. So I think it's a great staff around here, and I recommend any student to come to Marion Technical College. Something I'd like to say to my fellow graduates is, I'm gonna miss all you guys, and I wish you the best of luck in the future. And that I'll never forget all the memories, very, very fun memories, and it's just like family. It's, you get to know people you don't know. It brings you together. All the stress and everything, but it brings you guys close, and you learn from each other. So, I'm gonna miss everyone in the class, but I hope to one day see them again, and hopefully they can come to my restaurant and I can go to their restaurant one day. That'd be awesome.